Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. If a new car is on your summer to-do list, then we're here to make that process easy and enjoyable. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive. Sportage, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Nero, Forte, even the 2024 Telluride is here and ready for a test drive. The best way for you to get your new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive with one of our product specialists. Pick a day and time that works best for you, and we'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. After your test drive, we'll go to work and get your new Kia on its way. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Hi, I'm Howard with Lupient Kia of Brooklyn Park, and the 2024 Kia Telluride is here. Stop in to see why the Telluride is one of the top SUVs year over year. For the first time since its debut, we have multiple Tellurides available at Lupient Kia. Reasons to choose the Telluride include the return of the amber LED daytime running lights, available second row captain's chairs, class-leading passenger volume, and Kia's brand-wide, industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Stop in or give us a call to get into your new Telluride today.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.